Hi everyone, Deb here. Um, I wasn't going to show this, but because I got a kit this month, two kits actually from Altenew, I just wanted you to know they did make good on the for all seasons photopolymer stamp set that was missing from my my last order I shared. Let me raise this up just a little bit. You might see bits of my coffee mug and yeah. Anyway, so I really liked the blocking going vertically. I think you can use that on a slim line, a mini slim line, or an A2 or any size card really, the way it is. Because if you spread the word out across, it in this size lettering, it won't fit, right? And then you've got some nice sentiments like thinking of you this spring, happy spring. Um, I love spring. You could use this for a little mini book even about spring or summer or winter or autumn. So it's got little, I think this is like a cherry blossom, some leaf, some fall kind of leaves, sunshine. I think these are hearts side by side, maybe, for winter. And I don't see any snowflakes, but that's okay. And peace. Birthday, you could do birthday wishing you. I was gonna say a happy birthday, but I'm missing. Anyway, you can mix and match the words. You know, happy you, joy this season, wishing, thinking of, I love, memories, spring memories. I have some from going to Longwood Gardens. Peace and birthday. So anyway, that's what I got, and I think, like with all their other ones, yeah, let's open this because I think there's a guide in here. Their stamp sets, I know in the kits they have, like, for the Build a Garden one, it has a guide. Yep, look. So you can cut along here and use this for inspiration. Here they've stamped leaves in the background and put it on front. And they give you some examples of other stamps you can use to pair with this. So awesome that they do that. They even give you some color choices that would go good with it. I think I just ordered some purple inks. Yeah, I have another order coming in, I don't know when, a week or so. uh, just, I need to stop. I'm stopping soon, but I have an order from Altenew and an order from Scrap Diva Designs coming. That one is supposed to be here early next week. And I don't know, I don't think Altenew has shipped yet. But anyway, then for the Mini Delight kit, not kit, subscription. This is the small one. You get a stamp and a die. It has apple blossoms. So I just did cherry blossoms the other day on my, what was this for? Be Creative, hashtag Be Creative Grow. So I made a tag with cherry blossoms, but these are apple blossoms. I always think of them more towards fall, but I guess the blossoms would be in spring, summer too, and the apples then come in the fall, in this area anyway. The sentiments say, I deeply about you and sent with love and, oh, I guess care. There's a word care here. Okay, so I deeply care about you, or sent with love and care. I probably, yeah, either one of those would be nice. And it's a layering, and they have them lettered A1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, 4, 5, and 6. So I guess that's the order that you stamped them in. This also looks like it's a guide, and it also has some colors that would work with it, what they used in the sample. And this is an A2 size card that they're sharing. And then the die cuts out the leaf and that's B1 and B2, and the flower once it's all layered. So I'll look forward to trying that soonish, before the end of the month, hopefully. And then the Build-A-Garden Rock Trumpet is the name of this. It looks like that colored in with the stencil. It has stencils. When you get the Build-A-Garden kit or subscription, you get the stamp set and the layering stencils, which I'm loving the layering stencils. So the sentiments in this, there's quite a few. Wishing you all the best, sending you sunshine, smile, hugs, you've got this. Take a deep breath and believe that today is going to be a great day. You are loved. Happy thoughts to you, sending you hope and inspiration. You're in my thoughts. Wishing you a wonderful day. Every morning is a chance to start anew. Isn't that the truth? And it's morning here. Sending you love and light, and make today count. This is a huge stamp set. Do they give the dimensions on here? No, but let's open it and see the inside. So I think you can only get this in the kit this month, and then maybe starting next month they make them for sale. But I think you have to buy, when they do that, I think you have to buy the stamp and the stencil separate. I'm not 100% sure. So these are the samples they've given. I'm drawn to the pink one, although I've had trumpet flowers in my yard on my fence before, and they were bright orangey red kind of thing. And somewhere I read, oh yeah, it tells you a little bit. Rock trumpets have colorful yellow, orange, or red trumpet-shaped flowers that hummingbirds adore. Very true. This stamp set features a lush arrangement of rock trumpets with plenty of foliage. They were drawn with minimal, delicate lines, just perfect for coloring. The size will allow you to create wall art or multiple cards at once. Very true, because this is huge. Let me see. I don't see where they tell you the size. Let me just measure it real quick. From the top of that leaf there down to here is about 8 inches. So there's no way that would fit on one card for me. Even 5 by 7 it wouldn't fit, right? And then this is about 6 inches. So it's about a 6 by 8. Oops, sorry. 6 by 8 stamp. Definitely will have to use that in my stamparatus. I'm not even sure 8 inches will fit in there. So we'll see. We'll see. And then they do give you different colorways in here, what colors they use for the pink one, and again the stencil directions, you know, and they're numbered. I'm pretty sure they were the last time. So let's take a peek. I'm not going to actually do this right now because today I have to do jewelry for some collabs coming up and things. So, but this one has, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different stencils. 2 6 by 6, 1 7 by 7, and 2 6 by 9 stencils. So, wow. And I think they're numbered. Yes, this is number 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. So it starts with, of course, the boldest one first. I'm not sure. This has like a dividing point there, maybe, so you know to, I really don't know. We'll find out when we go to stencil it, which I will do because I just love stenciling these days. So I'll come back and I may practice it alone and then come back and do it with you, at least on part of it. And then also you could stamp this, and now with the stencils you could just use the stencils and not even use the stamp with it. And then you could also use the stamp and use like your alcohol markers and things with it instead, which is a possibility too. Although I don't have any red yet in Altenew markers. I have yellow, and I have orange. I can make an orange one with my markers. Orange and yellow maybe, or just orange. But I don't know, I'm on an orange kick lately for some reason. Anyway, that is the Build a Garden set monthly subscription kit. So, and you get them at a discount when you get the monthly kit. So if you're interested, I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm just buying this with my own money. So if you are interested, you can sign up on the Altenew.com website. And I don't know if they send internationally or not. Maybe. I don't know. You'd have to look on their website. So apologies for not knowing that. But like I said, I'm not sponsored. And I'm fairly new to Altenew. Just this year, I mean, I might have ordered a few things here and there before, but I've really kind of gotten into their inks, their markers, and their floral sets with the layering stencils. And I love the minis because I just like small stuff sometimes too. And they're perfect for a note card or a card. I might make a little set of note cards with these. So yeah, and also with each order, I actually got 2 this month, and I think I left one downstairs because the reverse has a coupon code, but I'm not going to flip it over. So you can practice your coloring here. And if you tag your projects with hashtag Altenew, you can have a chance to be featured on their blog and social media. And they do randomly select winners of $15 Altenew gift certificates every month. And I have been seeing names pop up in the emails that I'm getting. Okay, this is apparently a fan favorite stamp design. And it's celebrating their 9th anniversary. Color it with your favorite coloring medium and share your work on social media. So I have a couple of these now, and I'm thinking I'll do one with their watercolor pencils, and I'll do one with the alcohol markers. And then if I don't ruin one of those, I might do one with their inks and a water pen, and do watercolor that way. We'll see. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And they do have other kits too. They have one that I don't remember. I think it's called Craft a Flower or Craft a Garden instead of Build a Garden. That one is more dye based, you know, paper piecing flowers and stuff together. And then they had a Paint a Garden, but they discontinued that for now. And that was for painting, which I'm not a good painter, so I'm not even a good colorist. So I'm going to be working on that, and that's why I'm getting these to force me to play with more coloring. I still do that with my other brand of stamps and stuff too. But anyway, I would like to get better at that. And I think there's another one. Oh, there's a foiling one. And there might even be one more. I think there's like 5 different kits that you can pick from, or whatever. Subscription, not kits. Subscription packages. I guess they call them kits. I don't know. Yeah. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. And I will see you, I'm not exactly sure when, on this channel. On my other channel, I'll be up twice on the 15th. And once on the 18th, and plus I have some kits I need to use and make with, so I'll be dealing with that. And, and Paper Pumpkin will be coming sometime next week, I think. It says it's shipped, but I don't know. So we'll see. All right, take care. Hugs, love, and peace.